guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Kamla nguJozi, I'm storyteller. Ngikhuluma izinto zenzekile life. Ufuna isigaxa unenkinga ebhekene nayo or uqeda ukudlula kiyo or owadlula kiyo. Asho madabi ngakho nga-inbox ngalo ku-TikTok ngizokuthumela inamba la wena ungathula istory sakho khona mina ngize nendlebe endeni uze nendaba nami mina ngize ngapha ke ngithulela istory sakho abalaleli bethu nani bona bakufedi advices ukuthi umuva kanjani ukuya phambili. Yayibona ngibhalela usisi uJensen ngibhalela uSjozi. Yo kella sello or kella sello uSjozi uthi hayi mina bengisebenzela uSjozi bekeperekela ngitravelela ka taxi camera konke yaba uthi hayi one day ke kume umunye ubhutiki makamo hamba ngetaxi quantum yama hayi ngicela ukuphila lift ngithi hayi ngoba ngikuhlala like la ngihlala khona sisekudeni yabona luthi uhlala khona endeni yakho jump esinstrata then uhlala ngale kunistrata ubhuti like insist ukuthi no ngeke ngivume umuntu ofana nawe ahambe ngesinyawo or uSjozi ke lamele kolonye hayi masingikukhuluma imoto umuntu vele angitshela ukuthi like uyangazi uhlala ngibona erenki maki futhi dilenza unamela taxi makamera ko uyangibona very polite akusumuntu orasayo so yena uinterested ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngubani ngivela kuphi everything or uSjozi ngitshele kamlami ngitsheni ngibereka ku kai hlala lana okay angibuza ukuthi unomntwana ngithi no yona ke child unomuntu ngithi unomuntu athi lo muntu wakho umyeke soyithula indoda athi ngithi lo muntu wakho umyeke so ngithoyithula indoda uthi before umbotsa nje uSjozi angibuze kahle ukuthi unomuntu ngithi athi ukulobolile ukushadile uvelile kini ukulibhayile ngithe athi ngithi umtshele lo muntu wakho lo ukuthi sothola indoda ezokushada ora uSjozi like ngihleki kulobona ngihleki ngithi lo ngijwayela kabi ngicela ukuthi ngicela se high school kulobona ora uSjozi umuntu vele abe serious uthi angicela inamba vele ngimuphi inamba but uSjozi from there umuntu like aba persistent kwaba abuto umfonela everyday ancheckangi isikhuluma or uSjozi ngibona ukuthi now I'm falling in love with this person or uSjozi you ukuthi bakhuluma kanjani labantu laba macala ngibiza athiwe mama uthi hayi bengishibilika bengiba insipho or uSjozi like the level of respect they beyangibiza ngakhona uthi ngabona ukuthi la hayi mina ngithola indoda ngiyamiyeka phela mina lo enginayo uSjozi obe kusengeka umuntu amengaye mina no brother sike sisothi brothers umhlapho mina nomhlapho lapha uSjozi isikhathi masiya I thought ukuthi mina umhlapho la ku taxi drive because makeza kimi everyday bekazela ngequantum sihlale quantumini yabona angangitsheli ukuthi kahle uyini sihlale boma 6 months uthi mayicala 6 months relationship phela yashintsha ke manje siya ku stage 2 se relationship umuntu soqala vele ngitshela indaba sokuthi no I mina ngimdala and I've been searching for umuntu alright ongeke ozokuthanda mina ngingathanda izinto mina enginazo wabona how okay ukuthi uma taxi driver enale because taxi driver motho what uSjozi vele asho ukuthi ngifuna umuntu ozongithanda mina athande mina as unhlapho angathandi unhlapho nezinto zakhe kodwa uSjozi the whole time masithandana like bayangavumbulala kwami athena ngesikibo indoda emzini ungasinge wakhe so beyangafuna ulala kwami the whole time if we want to do fresh ama shapes with uSjozi umuntu obesizobhuka the whole time asangiye kwakhe angazi uhlala uthi kube nelanga la ngibuza khona ukuthi Mara Jane like uyangithanda like do you see me as your husband or do you see me as your life partner yakho yabona uthi vele uJane uthi how like ngiyakuthanda and wewe nempilweni yami so like iqelisho so like ngiyakuvela uwisha ngiyakuthanda and ngithanda niwe ngiphatha ngakhona uthathi ayisho ngento ekhulumayo na uJane uthi ngithi sure uthi okay angitshela ukuthi today mawushayisa lana and ukuthi uphathe izinto zakho zokugeza ngeke ubuye endlini ngizama ukulanda emsebenzini or uSjozi okay no problem sengisho ukuthi yangicollector sihamba rubhuka sisikuxwayithi uthi ngiphathe nempahla zokushintsha for tomorrow because the following day I was off uthi hi brother sivele emsebenzini azongilanda or uSjozi angilada ayisehamba ngiyabuza ukuthi siyaphutha hayi ngifuna ukukhomba la ngihlala khona or uSjozi kemakalawo sekushentshe ini ukuthi sofuna ukuthi sohlangana la uhlala khona because I thought ukuthi uyafihla and ngizwe ukuthi vele mina ngoba ngithanda abafazi uhlala umfazi uthi vele unhlaphathi no anginamfazi but bengifuna ubasho ukuthi umuntu onjani qala ngakuvumela ukuthi ungene empilweni ngakuvula inhliziyo yami ukuthi ungene empilweni yami na uthi uSjozi ritsaba or how arikuthi ngibona ubani arisakho lokusheni bano la ku drop uSjozi hami ngithi uqashe amafletini edropini na or angibheke umuntu vele ahle angasho next ula ushozi itaxi ihambi uthi ngibona umuntu ukhiphe iremote egate ushozi reme phela or ngikade like ivalue like imirakhona uphezulu namagate aphezulu awukhona ubona like the house ukhona ubona only the roofing if ungaphandle uthi ngibona umuntu ukhipha iremote egate or ushozi ngibona umuntu watobetsa atobetsa gate or ushozi igate my god I'm waiting to see ukuthi kahle siyapi or ushozi gate or sithabatha uyangizwa uthi indwenhle ushozi ngempila uthi hayi vele ubrothers vele afike vele aphake vele phambi kwegarage athi hayi sifikile mama ungahlika or ushozi instead ukuthi ngijabule bengichachazela ukuthi lo muntu osigqokela ama brand new every day lona like angahlala endlini so or like maybe yaba boss yakhe bamthumile uthi ngihlike vele ushozi or like floor so angihliki nale overnight bag yami because I'm telling myself ukuthi hayi lo muntu bamthumile like there's no way ukuthi lana kwakhe yabona uthi athawu isikhwama mama uthi ngithi sikhanisisa la hayi thatha isikhwama mama lethi isikhwama ngiphathe or ushozi ngikhiphe vele my bag vele angibambele uthi angitshele athi this is my house ungathuki ungasabi lana kula ngihlala khona mina the reason being ukuthi ngifihla everything because of sengihlangane namantombazana amaningi wala eGoli afuna imali kuphela abafuna indoda abafuna imali yendoda or ushozi retsene or ushozi indlwebila uthi indlwenhle hayi ubrother sangihlalise phansi angitshela ukuthi hayi mina ngicapho ngizwa kukayi mina kahle I'm a taxi owner thivela ngitshela ukuthi no like I've got several businesses. I'm a taxi owner and also I've got several businesses. So that's the reason I'm afford impilo. Okay, ushozi. Now angisambheki ngaleli hlulilana bengimbheka ngalo ecaleni. So now sengimbheka ngelihlo lokusaba ukuthi this person bengikhuluma naye ngibhede izinto efana ngikhuluma naye ngibhede ngize ngikhuluma amagama snacks kanti umuntu like ophakeme so or ushozi that night masifika kwakhe bekunabo bhuda boyithu. Those guys bekuma security wakhe meaning ukuthi yena ya escortive akamane hamba yi-1 magaza kimi kuphela but the whole time atsama ushozi ngothi wa escortive uthi like ikebelele thule or am I dealing with such a person nna kilijeni uthi ushozi umuntu vele angibuza ukuthi usodla ini mama senze njani siphume or sidle endlini uthi ushozi ngisathi abagere ngijukhile phela like ngiphumile ku comfortable zone yami ngithukile uthi brother sathi okay ngizokodela mama or uthathile kithi lenkondlunya akuthi azangisenze next vele wayenza sure ukuthi siyadla cedala na vele wayenza wathi ufuna ulala wangikhombuza samsulala ngapha or ushozi azangilayitsa sit even imba yakhe Sweden azange uthi vele the following morning ngeze ushozi hours off the following morning ngebela umuntu vele ngihlalise phansi angitshela ukuthi nabasebenzi abangaki urana ini nani amabhizinisi wakhe wonke vele angitshele manje mama I'm willing to take you as my wife the reason ngokuvulela lempilo le enginayo ukuthi ngiyakulobole ngikwenza umfazi wami or ushozi like yonke into bongathi like into ku moving like bengabelieve at all to brothers afule crash brothers unemoto two beautiful cars unebhaki enkulu unemoto enhle ushozi khimakale shothi angibona ukuthi I'm uncomfortable athi mathi you know what Jane nina ngicela ukutshela wona ngizokeke ukuthi process if ever you're willing to move forward now it's up to you but for now mina sengitshelile ke ubumina so if for now to move forward then ngizokuthatha ke nokukhomba abasekithi ke then iprocess iqhubeke uthi hayi ushozi imtshela ukuthi ngicela ungikhaphe mina ngifuna uhambo ushozi umuntu angikhaphe uthi emotweni bengithule the whole way like ikichukhile nna ke tlabekele eng mara ke nyaka ke motho le ngihwebo ke tlabekele eng ke nyaka ke motho escortiwa uthi I've been asking myself those questions kule yendlela ke ngisibela kuphi reacontrol uthi brothers vele athama mungawari izinto ezincane lezi izinto ezincane nemali ngizobona usisi uthi ushozi hayi vele irelationship iqhubeke but now sechubeka to a point ukuthi ubrothers sofuna unchamahadi and abanye unchamahadi so ubrothers uthi kimi mina baby angimfuni umfazi osebenzayo if uzoba nami you should know ukuthi angeke usebenze. So khetha ukuthi ufuna yini kusesemanje. What else Josie? I'm already in love with this guy and ke khona ubona uroto mfa bophelo bobujwana. So hayi ndaba ukuthi vele ngiyasebenza ngimtsheleke ubaby alright. No, it's fine, ngizoyeka emsebenzini. What else Josie? Hayi kube ukuthi umuntu wami uyaprocessa ke uyaprocessa indaba zokuthi kanhlonyathiwa alright urumele imali ukohayi hayaba khongibeze else Josie kinyalwege. Ngiqeda ushada lana kube kuthekiwe baya requesta ukuthi ngiyohamba ngiyohlala naye kwakhe. What else Josie? Hayi life vele ilife ke kube mnandi manje sithikele ngimasten go double story house. Life is happening. The driver the German cars. What is this Josie? The first week engihlala kuloya muzi ne uthi my husband kuba umuntu ukuthi sabatla thobelano lena ever since anyithi. Well, Josie, you know ukuthi umuntu wesifazane there are days la now you feel ukuthi ke batla motho obona uthi mangikhuluma naye brother athi no wait now is not yet the time ukuthi singayenza whatever ufuna ukuyenza. Well, Josie ke makalo time ya in because of no tlhela wena nari wena ro book re go dikai no sampoze ka time today umpoza ka time uthi angitshela ukuthi you know what emangibekezele maybe like uwenze like uya uphahlile like maybe izinto zama ancestors and stuff kilobona. Let me just leave it like that. What else Josie? Inyanga iphele 2 months ifele nothing is happening. 3 months yafela nothing is happening kule department leyana yasenkonzweni. It's okay. Awusho brothers kuba umuntu ukuthi akafuni ngiphume ngejarata. If ngiphuma ngejarata ngihamba with one of the guys. Ngihlala kunomuntu ongigadile the whole time. Nanoma ngisendlini ukhona umuntu ongaphandle kuma backrooms owazi ukuthi ugadile ugadile. Like I'm never alone endlini. I'm never alone in my shop. I'm never alone in salon. Everywhere I go ngihamba nomuntu. Yabona? It's okay. Hayi sishoza indaba ibe njalo ke ubrother sena but uyakhona ukumaneuver freely watsamaya ayimoya ngothengi uyabuya ebusuku uyabuya with midnight ngabo AMC mina ngibuzi nothing. But hayi isikhathi sike inyangeni bo 5 hours Josie without didabatshela uthi athi yimi athi mama kumele ukuthi mina nawe kahle siye kubaba umkhonza gobela wami ungiphethe uyongiphathela izinto zami ama businesses uyongiranela izinto zami business wise ngiceda kuye. So uthi ze masihlanganisa i6 months together we need to go size kwakhe ikhona ritual soyenza. But I was okay my husband umuntu wesintu uyathunisela wena bona impepho body into senjwayele ukuthi ngihlala ngibona ayenza like nothing hectic ngambona ukuthi ayenza imithi yesi yasebenzisa like dunyana tsa banna baba le cultural abasebenzisa. My husband uyakusebenzisa ingabi nankinga noloko athi kimi athi no we need to go because of now you're part of the family so whatever I'm going to do now is all involved. So kumele ukuthi nawe uchirelejeke ukuthi if bayagadla ube protected. Or else Josie hayi vele ngingabi like ngisahana because of I'm with this person uyongiyesa lempilo le uyazi ukuthi ibusiness yakho irana kanjani. So I isikabutha too many questions ngivuma ngitshela ukuthi hayi kusasa ke baby ubhake nje overnight bag sehamba ke siya ubabu uyongisebenza. Or else Josie how mina makathi uyomsebenza I'm thinking ukuthi maybe ufika lapha yana uyogezwa uyothuniswelwa then siyabuya yabona. Hayi awusichosi sihambe mina wamke this time ama security wakhe ahambe ngemoto yabo thina sihambe ngeyethu like bayam escort my husband umuntu o escortiwayo. Or awusichosi retsamaya ora rifitla mo rifitle athi mina ngisale emotweni yena ungena ngaphakathi. I was just saying, already I'm the wife. I'm not thinking anything strange. But uhloniphise uthwale ubeke nento mama hopi. Or I was just saying, I ngenze lokho ke lenkingene vele no husband. Makitsena ngithola vele ubaba osilindile, hayi ubaba vele angibulise. Ngidumele angibuze like ama-surnames wami bekibo mama mbuthi bakabani bekibo baba mbuthi bakabani mina ngikhule ngibiza isibongo sakabani mangiphahla ngibiza isibongo sakabani angibuze vele leyo mibuzo hayi awushose vele ngimtsheleke angibuze manje ukuthi abuze ubaba uthi umshintshile surname so biza ngawe ke ngimtshele nene ubaba amtshela ukuthi yebo ubiza surname yami. Okay sure Ora awushozi ke ubaba athi uyazi ukuthi indaba ukuthi soyisebenza kanjani. Ubuza my husband. Husband ivume uthi yebo ngiyazi. Athi okay ngizolibona ke ngesikhathi sakhona. Mina ukuthi midnight. Uthi awushozi ubaba angitshela athi no sizolala la bazosinikeza indlu solala kiyo. But into esizoyenza ayikhonala ukuthi bayenze ngalesikhathi lesi. Kumele ukuthi siyenze ebusuku. So sizolinda until midnight and then after midnight ila sizoyenza khona ke i-ritual. Okay sharp. Ora awushozi midnight ifika. Midnight ifika hayi uyangivusa ubaba ke uyangitshela uthi ngagcoki ngaphansi. Meaning ukuthi ngigqoke i-dress but ngagcoki ama-undergarments ngagqoki. How? Why no ungawagqoki? Awushozi ababahlika penti. Okay, kapara kufela kibeletsa mo gotheng or awushozi re tsamaye or already khona le gago like gago nzotsini like umlilo omkhulu already sibaba se like umlilo omkhulu they are waiting for us lapha umlilo omkhulu kuna le drum awushozi like abeseletsa like ukubona like ubesheletsa molo esofu upheke something futhi isheshe ivuthu uthi bayabaselela vele lapho uthi baselela vele labafana babaluba. Ora awushoza ayisengaphandle basangaphandle asibe uthi singene ngaphansi singene. Ora usafethu senamo ubaba vele adire asekuthi sivala umnyango uthi sivala umnyango uthi my husband awushozi already knows ukuthi soyenzana lesoyenzana uthi makafika mina angitshela ukuthi ngicela Jane ukuthi uhlubule khumula. Ora kemakhala ngikhumula kanjani? Khumula phambi kwalo makhosi athi khumula. Ora awushozi kana kwena kamfathi akabrasilo athi ngikhumule roko ngikhumule noduku. Ora awushozi ngikhumule ngisalekele so ahlala necansini uri kidule go ecansini uthi my husband akhumule makade ukhuluma akhumula la akucela like on the same cansini hlelekile akuphetha na uri awushozi makhosi vele eze asitheleng ukuthi arithele kasithlaro uthi qedalana like I create a big circle around us. Ayifake i-circle thina sibe phakathi kwale circle ayenze ngemithi or awushozi ibani ubone la kuna la ama cricket lawo awulighta ngathi line gunpowder ngiyabona lama cricket la or awushozi ahashe something ngathi gunpowder like ahashe like around us emnyama uthi ayenze vele big circle around us uthi qedala na vele awushozi atshela ubaba ukuthi cala phela ngenkonzo. Or awushozi ke makhala inkonzo uthi athi cala phela ngenkonzo. Or awushozi I'm puzzled, I don't know what's going on ngichukhile na I'm thinking ukuthi abantu bazosigeza sihlanjululo something or ubaba manje ucela ngenkonzo uthi ke ubaba athi imathi jela lana phansi. Or awushozi na kweke na khana gore angare ka gana go ya kae ke bishego sise dombeni kamakhosi it's midnight go gana kereng because this person is amahlale nami angichazela ukuthi what's going on. Or awushozi akagana romonna waka awushozi urobetsele nna gabotsebotse beka ngiyokubeza because bengavumi kahle ngidumetsi ka mlomo but ka body akadumela. Or awushozi monaka arobala le nna pele ga makhosi uthi umuntu walala nami phambi komakhosi uthi that thing a black lane ithi ngathi gunpowder. Or awushozi bayifisa uthi whatever siyenzayo lento like iyasha around iyasha like rotate around us. Or makhosi makabhizi ubaba makayenza akayenza lapho uthi makhosi ubhizi kampempe ara pepe or athi lenaka lirikeng nithini ngesizulu atsele nakolele alilisha awushozi aralilishe aralisha so kamontle go langare go la diphukujo nkosi yami nizokugula ne hayi ari kamontle kare go la diphukujo awushozi. My husband wangihlambalaza athi wangihlambalaza lo yamuntu kabuhlungu ore go la diphukujo like that awushozi adila so uthi my husband ukuthi ame he didn't even stop are the gobela uthwele naka like inaka yinkani ihon uyalivuthela leli so uyalivuthela then nezinto lezana vele sezishile vele ziyaphela. Or awushozi phukujo ayelawa utlwa gore imo khaufi uthi iyakhala into my husband like utlare ukole fasing le lengwa like akekho la kule sport engiso mina naye uri awushozi uthi the way I was so heartbroken, like I was noticing everything, but labantu abayi-2 abanami la ngaphakathi abekho like la kule space mina ngiso the way ngibabona ngakhona. What I was choosing, my husband didn't stop wayenza whatever ayenzayo. I was choosing makafika like to that point ukuthi ngiyangibamba mara ngisho there was someone notice basho mina ngithanda ukuthi umuntu wenza everything. Angeke ngichaze like everything into like intimacy angeke like uzongibamba man uzongibamba kilo abantu ngibambe man angeke angikhona nami ngidla amahlo sometimes into zenu ungabothi le ndaba ngikhuluma kanjani nginamahloni. I'm just a storyteller but kunezinye izinto like sensitive especially zoku sensitive for mina so ngizokhuluma like ngiya-highlight indaba leni yangibamba bona sengimusha story sorry. So or my husband atofihla kwa mafika ku destination angisho nangibamba mazofika ku destination or awushozi moto like ngesipho lo muntu ukhuluma ngesipedi guys ne ahubula like ukwenzani uhubula yo ay like wenze the strange sound like athi like he has never done this sound before. I did that sound a very strange awushozi or ka utlwa milaka aribani utlwa ngari o apere ndo go mareseng o ba tloshas like this ut awushozi ka utlwa milaka ngari wa chaba ngari wa shasharakana uthi something yayenzela ke lelo langa or awushozi akatala na umuntu kuba ngathi uyasnapper uba just a normal person. Yo le batjaka ebana baba so Jehova angeke uthi umuntu ekadala rabela umakhosi vele waqeda wathi singakesi sulala sinjalo. But awushozi whenever bekabhiza yenza whatever yenzayo phezu wami umakhosi bekune bucket bekaliphethe bekahasha like imithi on top of us bekasihasha ngemithi. But awushozi sicela amagcembe but awushozi aketsibi na I don't know ukuthi kahle kahle lo muntu beyangilethelani la cause into siyenzayo manje like it's beyond my imagination. Or I was choosing hayi vele aphakame umuntu vele angiqolise athi kunezinye izinto umnotho uza nama consequences for us ukuthi siphile a comfortable life fanele senze izinto uncomfortable asho kanjalo. Or I was choosing ke lebeletse monna ola neke mo hlompha be ke mtshaba ke rona le street una le chelete uthi ngabona isilwane ngabona ukuthi lo muntu angangibulala mos for imali. Or I was choosing from that day ngoba ngathi ngiyaphaphama kule situation ngathi ngiyaphaphama manje singakhona ukuzibona ukuthi yabona la ngiya eweni ngiyaleweni. But I was just sahamba sayolala the following morning kumele ukuthi ngithi ngifuna ugeza ubaba was like no awugezi la uzogeza endlini asahambe. But I was just sa driver benganama emotions buzathi ngathi ngisidumbu asithusi ke ngihambe ngijorobala endumbeni beshiswa lezinto ebehashwa ngazi imithi bokola diphukusho outside. What I was just like le nto lokuba ngathi imove nje iyadlala like ebusweni bami iyadlala ebusweni bami ngathi kwenzeka komunye umuntu bengayenzeki kimi. What I was just asifika endlini ubaba fika vela ngena kushawa wageza wathi angiyaphuma kunezinto ukuthi ungezenza umakhosi umphama ngeplastic ukuthi mina wayenza afike uma business wakhe. What I was just really makutongena aqeda ukuphuma uthi ngane neshawareni. What I was just ikadula fasi orqala I was just orqala sello orqala manje ngiphakathi kule relationship I got married, getting married to this man ukhahlakele ubona kunomali ukuthi angalala nomuntu mfasi wakhe omkhiphela inkomo phambi komakhosi. Or awushozi ngakhala uri ngilika sikhitla sello awushozi kasikhitla into ejengela yabera umula oyemele mu uthi into ethize ekhala yabe yathithula sisi uphakame lapho. Uthi awushozi from that day I hated my husband. Bengasaboni like le dignity lesithunzi bekanaso bengasasiboni at all. I saw umloyo umthakathi. Uthi awushozi my husband bamtshela ukuthi fanele ukuthi ayenza ama rituals emsebenzini for le business wakhe banawo and kumele ukuthi ayenze ama-rituals for abantu asebenza nabo, la bantu abamgadayo ukuthi bamsabe vele bangamgangeli izinto ezinjalo. Uthi awuSjozi hayi wangitshela wabuya-ke wazongitshela ukuthi ngizoyenza umsebenzi lana endlini. Bengicela ukuthi leyo la ngizoyenza umsebenzi ngakubhukhela somewhere or ngayekini ngizoyenzela labantu engisebenza nabo la, and akungamelanga ukuthi kube nomuntu wesifazane nanigcekeni. Or awuSjozi in my hand I was like, yo say no more, get it one enough. Uthi hayi ubaba vele uthi sathi uthi wanka. Or awuSjozi one thing ngibonile ngimeni wami ukuthi him cutting me ukuthi ngimsebenzeni bekangikhatha amaphiko ukuthi ngakhona ukuphapha. Arukulona nonyana awuSjozi ukhathile mafofa ayikhona ufofa ipho round mo athi that's when I realized ukuthi lo muntu lo bekafuna ukungikhatha amaphiko ukuthi ngibheke yena impilo yami ibe according to yena, according to his rules and everything. Or awuSjozi angikhaphe manje sesibuya kumakhosi, I'm not allowed still ukuhamba nge-1. Angikhaphe angize ekhaya athi ngizobuya ngulanda after everything ngiyenzile. Or awuSjozi no problem, angikhona ukutshela abantu bangitshela ukuthi indaba iphelela kuphi Gondumbeni, angikhona ukusharela anyone because ungitshele masibuya athi if ever you're going to share this to anyone uzohlangana lo muntu lo because he was not part of the process. Or awuSjozi ke gae ke zombie, I'm so stressed out, aketse porque bolelele mang uthi ngihlala ekhaya umuntu angishiya ekhaya for a week. Ngihlala ekhaya for a week, angifonela ngitshela ukuthi no tomorrow I'm coming to pick you up, so ngicela ukuthi uzilungiseke. Uthi okay sharp awuSjozi kitukise atlevele uthi lo muntu lona awuSjozi mawungambona in front of ama colleagues wakhe, in front of ama business associate wakhe, in front of abantu nje in general angeke ubelieve lezi zinto ngikutshela zona. Ukasidi believe awuSjozi ngothi ukhona pretender makafike kithi awuSjozi ngithi imoto beyiqwele ngecruiser aso impress abazali bami. Every time angafike kithi awuSjozi ke motho wa batlang gore go praiwe dinamo re ka majwa, like he doesn't mind to spend at labantu laba abathenga abantu ba reka seriti ko batho at my husband umuntu njalo. Or awuSjozi after a week sendlulile ayenza la rituals wakhe endlini athi kilo wabona labantu laba baphuma ilonda, kunabantu abaphuma ilonda yabona le londa ukuthi siyaphuma sokusha ube purple then ucima ubamhlophe then kuba namabala a black amatsoputso fani babona labantu abaphuma lezo zilonda. Ara awuSjozi after a week ngiyaqala ngiphuma ilonda uthi umzimba wami wonke waphuma ilonda lelondo ezinjalo uthi mangiqala ngithi no wathi lo muntu lo ucheated is either infecting or something. Or awuSjozi ke ku doctor ngicabanga ukuthi maybe infection or something or uncheck amagama yabo awuSjozi ayi maybe clevele like engaveli kube kuye befuthi patient abuthi uhamba ku dermatologist bakucheck ngithenga iskin ngi. Or awuSjozi ngaphuma amabhathu la uthi angiphuma kayi2 in a year lama bhathu lawo ayangiphuma uthi awuSjozi sihambile siya kuma specialist eXhosa lo expensive but if isikhathi sokuthi lama bhathu angiphume atlonzwa. Or awuSjozi angiphumile for the first 2 years ke ka khona tlhokomela gore ga botsebotse lama bhathu angiphuma ngesikhathi esi1 bengakabonanga. That day awuSjozi ama bhathu ayangiphuma futhi angibuthi this time mangiphuma awuSjozi ke mosaloning angiphumile but like ngigcobise ikhalama yami umzimba wami wonke ngigqoka izinto ezivalayo but you know ukuthi amaphathu nasebusweni azokuphuma even ala nezinyaweni kuma ankles azokuphuma ngeke ucovering indawo. Or awuSjozi ngiyachina ngisesalon akilo salon me umuwa like me wafihla orumona are mntwana wayengazilaphisi uthi ngibheka lo mama ungazilaphisi. Or awuSjozi in my mind thina sihamba ugobela kama husband and kizama the doctors, the specialist, so I don't understand magathi why ungazi hambeli yabona. Or awuSjozi ngimbheke vele ngithule or like ngihire vele kibona sesifahla so ake baxobulela kanti stem any further yabona. Uthi usisi uthi awuSjozi like ke level lemme ola kalinyathu uthi vele like ngimtope gore utlambotsang mara ona uthi like at the back of my mind ngisho ukuthi uzongitshelani mara lo mama yabona. Excuse me. Uthi awuSjozi lo yamama kusho abona ukuthi like ke mothokile ukuthi ngore akekho azongitshela uthi athi ngithi mntwana athi zibheke ukuthi unjani zibheke ukuthi unjani are umabhadi badu mapatsu watseburu wayo leso uthi ngithule awushozi ngingasikamnaka uthi ngamnaki vele ngisithule ulakana ko kichepile ke ngikhamunate awushozi kichepile ara noma ungaqhokisa lo mzimba but lo mzimba lo bayawuza arabawuza arawubona uroni ngwaka ka ngwaka walwalo la gabedi dibotšetša go tšwa a o tlhokomele ore awushozi are gona no o tletse mabadi a re wa tse gore mabadibadi a o a dira keng wa o na le mabadibadi ba ore awushozi ke thule ngithule ngarespondi ari wena monna ga una le unesilwane athi ndoda yakho inesilwane athi lesilwane lesifida from lerkeng lokuphumela lokho uzayo yo sisikhulumeni maladu ari isilwane lesifida silatswa maladu ari this season of your life awuleso monna ga ke mo di business ja ga dira ntšhelete a re wena o sa le motho a re DNA ya gago ditšhila tša gago o di šile motseng o tšong o latang dilo tše a re no seso a re mo le ngwa šia ditšhila tša gago gona ba go kenjetše dilo tše a re monna gago o rwele ka wena o rwele ka bophelo ba gago o busy o tšhepile o dira nkare o motho a o sa le motho a re bophelo ba gago nkare o phofolo o dula ka gare ga walk in cage a re ke bophelo ba gago ke re nyako go fa bophelo o tle le seding a re bophelo ba go botlhoka gaogelo gore a was choosing umama Angel o thile so sikhathi the way I was on my high horse ngakhona gore I was choosing akakhuluma so like akhuluma ama facts angitshela ama facts a re mona una le phofolo o phela le phofolo mo wena phofolo gore e be le matla tshwantse gore e latswe ilatsa maladi a dintho tša gago a re wena ga o tswile dilo tše monna ga go acta jwang a o rate ka kudu a go direle gore a shows umama akhulume isaluni beyiqelene gore a shows yini ukuthi emaswaleni abantu babheka indaba o dijatshi leyo a shows lina le ayikawa bungayizo uthi lina le uthi everyone wathula leso sikhathi ama security ngaphandle emotweni gore a shows ampotsa if ubatla lesedi ubatla light ubatla bophelo ba gago utomfunile ashidile number yakhe uthasibeke account umama asho aphuma hamba or awushozi angaze ngenze njani I'm crying arime ola notlaro ukuthi eBhayibheli labophilo baka wabala verse ka verse athi ukhulume everything uthi izinto bezenzeka but kisakhona ukukomela uthi za align lelo langa or awushozi za align or bafetso nkira mirere I didn't even say anything to anybody. Ngavele ngasithulela bengixokizaza. Uthi ngavele ngasithulela aqeda ngene emotweni. I acted normal kuma security bami because bengafuna ukuthi babone something. Ukuthi there was something enzakala esaluni. Nga acta normal kufonela umyeni ukuthi sicedile siya endlini. Umyeni was like okay no problem. Uthi sise ngifike ngendlini first thing ngiyenzile ngivula ama drawers wami ngenza dikarata tsa ko di clinic or ashoze mina like ilonda zami ben attenda like a body dermatologist and everything working che and like bang refera siye ku second opinion loba like dirunyana tse jwa uthi ngibheka ama date awushozi dishoje linjwa twice a year if as ngiphuma ngo December sengiphuma ngo January di June every 6 months sangiphuma lezinto every 6 months sangiphuma with this is my third year. We don't understand. I'm a doctor. I told you anything with system yami, but I need be right. But my husband, akangisuku ya kobela wake. Ni attend my doctor sick. I haven't been to any other sangoma or nyanga asank. What I was choosing. Angakutshela ukuthi my husband kuba umuntu ukuthi athike mi dilo tse di tsamaya maybe like a change of environment. Yabona mangithi why ungangisi kokobela all at time until we to zamaya man babes maybe a change of environment or something in the water or also like anything ngizama ukuthi ngiyayibekela funa ukuthi sami sobona abantu abahlolayo ahana vele ahana sabato rekeko angitshela ukuthi hayi man kanti wangifuna involve abantu baphansi abahlolayo in everything or nasabathi nake keep my blocker out the idea or also nakibona or monna wakavele bekangisebenzisa. And I've realized after lo mama wase salon or I was choosing mangiphumelele lona my husband ungithatha njengecanda or abahle selo ngaze ngilale the whole day angafuni ukuthi ngivuke. And like kuba muthori ama-business wakhe awushozi ka season December January ama-business ka my husband ayenze imali like imali serious or ngaleso sikhathi awushozi khakethule disho nje like especially kisale umolevel ngori diaphera what my husband will want ukuthi mina nayisiqala sihlangene inkonzo ngiyifuna akafuni ukuthi simise nalangeliwane akafuni or awushozi kube ukuthi nami spiritually sengiyavuka sengakho ubona ukuthi mara this person beyangenza so uthi lo mama angitshele athi abazali bakho bayenze kudala ukuthi bangaboni into ari batswali bakho ababona mona gago ba actangare bana babona mdimo bona uthi awushozi lo mama wangitshela indaba zami 8 school shithi wangitshela izindaba zami uthi hayi ngifike endlini mangifike endlini ngidecide ukuthi you know what I'm going to call this person because endlini ngiyakho ndlala ingwane endlini ngaphakathi endlini or ngifonele umama ngimfonele ngimtshela ukuthi sihlangane saloni lo sisi ungitshela indaba zakhe bengicela ukuthi sihlangane but it's going to be impossible for me ukuthi sihlangane because ngihlala nginabantu ngihlala ngikhathiwe uthi umama athi kimi zama ukuthi uye kini fanele silungise kini ukuze everything yakho ilunge but you need to keep this a secret kuma wakho because uma wakho bayamsebenza uzomtshela uhusband ukuthi usamukwenzana as long as ngafiki kini for langelo wanizosebenza ususe whatever bayenzile ukuthi bablock abazali bakho bangaboni ukuthi kwenziwani ngempilo yakho then that's when ke makhona ukutshela abazali ura awushosi ngibona ukuthi mokishake nakho because umama ngitshela ukuthi bazokubulala uzoshona bazokubulala uzoshona or awushozi ngibona ukuthi you know what I need to create something ukuthi ngihambe ngekhaya ayimtshela my husband ukuthi mama makase right man I think indaba zakhe imona ukuphosa sengiphathi kahle so is it possible for me ukuthi ngaya unkintshini umbona I husband I suspect anything or awushozi azangifuna ukushintsha ukuthi I suspect ukuthi khona into engiyazi ngibe normal Jenny omaziyo azange ngifuna ukushintsha but awushozi athi okay ngizokhapha one thing about my husband mangithi ngekhaya awushozi uzwenza sho ukuthi ngikhapha uzwenza sho ukuthi siyadlula kuzo zonke lezi tolo ukuthi sithenga ukudla cause mangise kithi angiphumi ngegate akafuni ngiphuma ngegate awushozi uzongidropa uzongilanda the reason being achabadulu tsheja alichaba uthi uzoqalisa igrocery imoto sambe sekhaya awushozi ngifihle ekhaya hayi ngifike ngihlala ngitshela mama ngiphethile Holy Friday nje mama ngithi yokusasa ngifuna uhamba nawe somewhere yazi mama so bengicela ukuthi nayi imali hamba uyosithengela like izinto zathi icathulo uthengina rock ne bag right sinala so yakhona kusasa yabona ulasho ngifike ithi mina around 10 am ekseni so mina nalo mama swana ukuthi sohlangana ngo2 or awushozi ngiphuma amavele imali ngifike ngimxokozela ukuthi geza amasingo uhambe kusasa ngifuna ukuthi siladele or awushozi because ngifuna uqosha umama ubaba emini akabi khona endlini or awushozi mama katha mayidi shopping afike ke umakhosi afike ahashe everything endlini angitshela ukukhumula yonke into ethengele umyeni wakho even the ring take it off into esebenze ngemali kamyeni wakho ikhumule or awushozi ke ngikhumule diaparo or umama vela aqale anthunisetse awushozi anthunisetse athi kimi ukuthi yongeze emfuleni phela ukuthi sihambe yongeze emfuleni or awushozi ke asambe kusese manje I don't want ukuthi umama azangithole ngila akuthole ula or awushozi rasama irekunke me olavele arekele kukhumotseleng or awushozi antlapise hayi ngibuye endlini ke umama vele ahambe uthi umama kabuya awushozi first thing ayikhulumela athi wena balangaka uphethwe yini or awushozi like kwaba ukuthi umama mangiza bekangangiboni like bekasanothise everything or umuntu wakhotsa ngara azange axoxele umuntu abalangaka wena uphethwe yini uthi that's when ngarealize ukuthi whatever nkungu bayifaka ebusweni bakhe khani manje isuka uthi ngabona ukuthi lo mama lo into ayenzayo like wayitsiba awushozi ngafonela umama same time uthi umama khana ngibona ukuthi nginamanceba manje uthi umama athi yenza sure ukuthi umama uyageza lezi zinto ngishele zona mgezise ngazo usisi uthi awushozi hayi umama vele ngimgeziseke ngezinto lezi engiziphuma khosi ngimgezise ngiqeda kumgezisa ubaba makashayisa ubaba naye ageze or awushozi ubaba ahotse gore khani wayitshele disho so kenzakalani uthi awushozi it was the first time abazali mama ngibona like izinto zami ziqeda ukuphola kusese nemabhatsu but like very visible uthi hayi ngibachazela ukuthi hayi zangiphuma angazi ukwenzakalani yabona uthi but after that ubaba was like kumele ukuthi sobheka umuntu umuntu akubheka ithi hayi ukhona umama azongilabhisi kusasa uzobuya futhi. So bengicela baba ukuthi ikusasa makabuya kusasa kade no Saturday kusasa makabuye ube khona as the head of the family ukuthi azokhona ukusebenza umuzi kahle because manje bekakhipha whatever into bebayifakela uthi ngichazela abazali ke hayi ngabatshela the full story ukuthi kwenzakalani ngabatshela just ngibachazela ukuthi hayi umama vele as promised the following day ahle because the following day nakulere aqeqele ubatla bhuti kereke bhuti enafitha utobereka then sizogeza ngalo umswane wembuzi. I was choosing as a very vroeg in the morning. I ba mam vele abe on board nga everything, even my mother. Or I was choosing rehlabe bahlambulile jarata bageze nambangeze bangeze. Or I was choosing. I remember it was before 12 midday. My husband yangfonela. Yawana Jane, ukuphi. Ngithi ngisekhaya. Ngithene ifone to ivideo ukuthi akhona umbona ukuthi ngisekhaya. Or I was choosing athi ngithi ngizokulanda ngisendleleni ngizokulanda. What else was it? Let's swallow pilwaka nempe nebe tangari betamumulaleng uthi lo mama asho ukuthi ubonile ukuthi wenzeni and mawungavuma ukuthi uyendlini angeke usaphinda ubuye ngebhokisi. So choice ngeyakho sisi ubuza yonke into yakho obuyiphila impilo yakho yobukhazikhazi or you're saving yourself. Uthi umama angitshele kanjalo. What else choose angakutshela ukuthi umuntu weza endlini ekhaya. Uri motho kila atla ko gae ayema ko gate akumele ukuthi angene awushozi alikilo bona motho ngari wachukega akakhona athi awushozi umuntu ahlike emotweni akumele ukuthi angene egate azange khona ungene kithi or awushozi azange akhona utsena ntatula uthi wathi wona yena phuma lapho yala uthi awushozi ngahlala endlini ngibheke ngewindow akakhona ungena lo mama lo osebenzayo lo gobeka azange ahambe because uthize lo muntu makeza la uzokuthatha ngishova and mina iallowance ngifuna kuwe permission ka bophelo bakho or are you saving your life or when ubuyela le but if uyabela la athi uzokulanda khona umyeni wakho wazothi ube nebhokisi or ashozi umyeni wami uhamba lapha yana into ethi malapha yana beyathi hamba because beyangakhona ungena umgobelo wesebenzile ijarate sekithi akekho umuntu waphuma even my father azange aye ngaphandle. Or moto atla ayema mola the bodyguards ayema ko gate uthi ngithuke enye into or ashozi ugobela was like no ayikho abantu bazokwenza yona wona believe like him. Or ashozi me ola ambereka full 7 days ang attenda aza endlini every day. Or me ola atla ashozi atla uthi let me tell you my sister ke into ebuhlungu mina bengiphila ku this expensive house and everything akena chelete under my name. I don't have money. Ngisebenzisa amakhadi kamyeni wami. I don't have an account engeyami. Wonke ama account ngavulile umyeni wami. Or awushozi ikarta chaka ka ufele udiblockile akesana chelete akina selo kitlile liapar just for to spend 2 days. Ungobela wathi everything ekuyalo umuntu lona throw it away even the ring. Lahle toiletini nomguthi ubele makakeni or get rid of leso sicitho leso sifake ngaphakathi isicithweni sibele emuva la sibe khona. Or awushozi umakhosi my father paid for umama usincedile wabhadala awushozi uthi for 7 days umakhosi eze endlini athuthunisenza or awushozi ayenza show ukuthi ngi right angakutshela ukuthi awushozi my husband azangaphinde abuye azange aphinde angifonele awushozi azange aphinde athumele even ama bodyguards wakho ukuthi azombheka uthi awushozi ngaphola amabhatsu lawe London ahamba skuni. Or awushozi kilahano hore atlobuwa because of abuya twice a year after 6 months azange saba namabhatsu awushozi now sengihilile sengright awushozi ibile kayiberekela ba akibereke mmereko mofensi but I'm working. Or awushozi one day ke ko molong mangisemolweni lo ngeke molweni siphushela inhlolo uthola isikili stress out of debit orders. Or awushozi mangithi ngivusa ekhanda here it's my husband. Here is my ex-husband. Uthi umuntu wangibheka. Or awushozi lezi zilonda bezingiphuma already imuthu lemile kakufela. Or everything lebe ngiphuma awushozi imuthu lemile kafela or ugcoke nesport ugcoke ishirt le long sleeve uthi awushozi uyambona umuntu ukuthi ubothokile ukomulo uthi wabele wangibheka wahafula amadwaqo wabika sikhokhelwa wachwamara uri awushoza zange ngifuna ukuthi ang-intimidate like that uthi ule after face omaraha wela fathi uthi awushoza I did the same thing ngathi back to the center Satan uthi ngadlula ngatsama uri awushoza bokuphelo baka went back to normal. I can say if azange ngiye salon lelo langa ngihlangana nalo ya mama wangitshela indaba zami angazi ukuthi ngabe ngaba kuphi or also I can say when ngike 2 days khuluma iphindaba ngaba ngashona ngakhona ukushare story sami or also ngabantu besifazana ngavumi bakhatha ama wings wakho to fly sikadumela obenonyana udule ba uchope the wings jahago udule ulatela instructions impilo yakhe icontrol omunye umuntu whereas imdimo ofilo for you angeze like bophilo bakho SK would shape your life the way ufuna ngakhona but thina as abantu besifazane sithanda ukuphila respoiliwa ratiwa rifiwa everything and then sathatha leyo clay abakupheyona ezandleni ukuthi shape your life uyinikeza omunye umuntu azodlala ngempilo yakho or awushozi nakile bohamodimi every day ukuthi why ngisurvive I don't know but if ever it wasn't for lelo langa lesaluni ngabe namuhla ngishare story sami or awushozi ntato ekulela nkana uTheng waphela I don't know ukuthi utholile victim yakhe enye aketsebi but then uTheng waphela and abantu besifazana be careful ungafuni ukuya everywhere but asihambe lenza so ulatele awushozi bophelo bakho very expensive ungafuni ukuchange impilo exchange impilo yakho for ukukhithi for the kids and drama cause mina lokukhazi lokube ngiphila kibo it was because of my life arikilona like upherile awushozi upherile mara moto afuna inkonzo gore no khona bona gore motho na fita from nna but bengaboni lokho cause nabe ngithi kuseni masifuka asambe seku specialist banibani checkile ma baby bathi la bazokunceda angafila special kanti umuntu yena already ebusuku into yakhe iqedile or awushozi abantu besifazana ababe careful your life it's very expensive ay Jehova impilo zenu thina sazi labantu baphuma lelonda lesi mina like okay mina my small mind uNkulunkulu wami nabe ngisho ukuthi abantu baphuma lelonda lesi maybe like rena ka spade mongaphuma lelo bibari ke mullo abathim kaningi or abantu baphuma lelonda lesi kaningi basithi like immune system yabo compromise meaning ukuthi bani chronic illness abaphila iphila kibo only to find out ukuthi abantu bangakwenza ukuthi ube so bafuna ukuthi uphere ngoba bona they want to feed whatever they have a pillar inside them yo nina hi baba yini guys